Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Obsidian and Notion. At first glance, both platforms seem like note-taking apps, but once you start using them, you'll quickly realize that they take very different approaches. So which one is better in 2026? Should you choose the privacy-first note-taking powerhouse or the all-in-one productivity workspace? Well, let's get started to find out. Obsidian has become one of the most respected tools in the productivity and knowledge management community. Rather than storing your information in the cloud by default, Obsidian stores everything as plain markdown files directly on your device. This means your notes belong to you. You can access them without being locked into a proprietary platform, move them anywhere, back them up however you like, and continue using them even if the company disappeared tomorrow. What truly makes Obsidian special is its focus on creating a personal knowledge network. Instead of treating notes as isolated documents, Obsidian allows users to connect ideas through backlinks and visual graph views. For researchers, students, writers, developers, academics, and knowledge workers, this creates a second brain system where ideas become interconnected over time. Now let us talk about Notion. Notion has evolved from a simple note-taking application into one of the most comprehensive productivity platforms available today. The core philosophy behind Notion is consolidation. Instead of using separate tools for notes, documentation, project management, task tracking, databases, wikis, calendars, and collaboration, Notion brings everything together into a single workspace. Individuals can organize their entire lives inside Notion, while teams can run projects, create internal documentation, manage workflows, and collaborate in real time. Now, what are the main features of each? First, we talk about the main features of Obsidian. Local first storage. Every note is stored directly on your device, so this provides complete ownership of your data and eliminates dependence on cloud infrastructure. Bidirectional linking. Obsidian's signature feature is note linking. Users can connect notes together, creating a web of interconnected ideas that grows over time. Next is the graph view. The graph view visually displays relationships between notes. This helps users discover connections they may not have noticed otherwise. Extensive plugin marketplace. Thousands of community-created plugins allow users to customize their workflows. From advanced calendars to Kanban boards and habit trackers, almost everything can be added. Markdown support. Notes are written using Markdown, making them portable and future-proof. And offline access. Because notes are stored locally, Obsidian works perfectly without an internet connection. And advanced knowledge management is a feature that helps researchers and power users love Obsidian because it excels at building long-term knowledge systems. Now let us hop on to discuss Notion. Flexible pages. Users can create pages for virtually anything, including notes, documents, project plans, wikis, and dashboards. Powerful databases. Databases are one of Notion's biggest advantages. Users can create tables, boards, calendars, timelines, and galleries that organize information dynamically. Team collaboration. Multiple users can edit documents simultaneously, leave comments, assign tasks, and work together in real time. And next is templates. Thousands of templates make it easy to get started quickly. AI integration. Notion AI can summarize content, generate drafts, brainstorm ideas, answer questions, and improve workflows. There's also project management. Teams can manage tasks, deadlines, milestones, and workflows directly inside Notion. Document creation. Notion combines traditional document editing with database functionality, making it useful for both writing and organization. And there's cross-platform sync. Everything stays synchronized across desktop, mobile, and web applications. Now, what is the pricing of both platforms like? For Obsidian, it is free for personal use. It is free without limit, no sign-up required, and no strings attached. But there are optional add-on services that make it easy to sync and publish your notes. So there's a sync plan at $4 per user per month when billed annually, and there's the publish plan at $8 per site per month when billed annually. There's also optional licenses that help support the independent development of Obsidian. So there's the Catalyst plan, which is a one-time payment of $25, and there's the commercial plan of $50 per user per year to support Obsidian. And for Notion, there's also a free plan at $0 where individuals have the opportunity to organize personal projects and live projects. There's a Plus plan at $10 per member per month, a business plan at $20 per member per month, and an enterprise plan which is custom made where you have to contact the sales department. Now, what are the pros and cons of each? We start with the pros. For Obsidian, you have complete ownership of your notes, excellent privacy and security, it works offline and is extremely customizable. And the pros of Notion? It's easy to learn and use, beautiful interface, excellent collaboration tools, and powerful databases. How about the cons? For Obsidian, it has a steeper learning curve. It can feel overwhelming initially. The collaboration features are limited compared to cloud-first platforms, and setup often requires customization to reach full potential. And the cons of Notion? There's heavy reliance on cloud infrastructure. There's less private than local first alternatives. It can become slower with very large workspaces, and advanced functionality often requires paid plans. So which is best, Obsidian or Notion? Well, the answer depends entirely on what you're trying to accomplish. So here's one thing to note. If your top priorities are privacy, ownership, offline access, and building a long-term knowledge system, then Obsidian is arguably one of the best tools available today. However, if you want a platform that combines notes, documents, databases, project management, collaboration, and AI into a single workspace, then Notion is incredibly difficult to beat. And that's it on the comparison of Obsidian and Notion. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Logsec, Anytype, and AppFlowy. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.